truck. And I'll just be frank with you. This part right here in the front, this is where the hinge pins go. This is the part I consistently break. So we're not doing that anymore. Basically, this is going to give this thing a spine on the bottom, and this is going to give this thing a spine on the top. And then, because I broke my gearbox wing over here, I'm putting that on. And I broke my wing mount again.
I'm putting it on.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing any of it. My son's going to do all of it.